What's up, Nitro Gang? This is my King Motors Drag Baja. I decided to see how fast this thing actually is. As you might know, I do have a fake Walbro 990 carb in this, and it's been running actually very well. Of course, I need to do some work on this air filter. I don't particularly like this design. I need to find a low clearance one, but I don't want to put in a velocity stack. I want to maintain the original style of filter here. If any of you guys have suggestions, let me know. Now, the Drag Baja did come with these hostile slicks, right? But for this test, for the speed test, I'm going to be using this because I want to get a little bit more traction, and this will give me a good baseline number to compare my results to for the Rovan that has a 30cc in it. This originally came with, obviously not this awesome RCMK engine, but now we are rocking ourselves some RCMK. In the last couple of videos, you saw me replace the spark plug. Everything was good. And now I'm also running a slightly leaner fuel mixture. So I'm no longer hopefully going to be fouling the spark plugs. Oh, there's like turkeys running around here, guys. Turkey, come back. Where are you going? Don't make me chase you, turkey. All right, turkey made me chase it. Right now, we're gonna find out how fast this thing actually is. I'm gonna have a nice little camera mounted here on top, so we will get live time telemetry from the car. I'm hoping to beat 43. All I gotta do is beat 44, which is what my 30cc Rovan got in fully stock form. Now, this one is older. Yes, it is heavier. It does have front wheel disc brakes, which I have adjusted, and they actually seem to work a little bit better than you would expect. It's got RPM front arms. I still need to do some work on the shocks. They are super tight and rough, which is like a common thing in Rovan and King Motors, but no big deal. Everything here should be good to go, and we should be able to hit a top speed, I would suppose, of over 43 miles an hour. Now, of course, for some fuel, right, we got ourselves some blueberries. I'm gonna enjoy some blueberries right here because I love blueberries, guys. Very high in antioxidants. Blueberries are in season. Eat some blueberries, you know? All right. What's in this priority mail envelope? Probably asking yourself, is this a part for the Baja? What is it? Is this thing gonna make me, you know, hit 88 miles per hour, go back to the future? Like, just like Marty McFly in the DeLorean, which is my favorite car, my favorite movie, by the way. But no, this is a gift package. One of my first ever gift packages from a viewer. It looks like something pretty soft inside. What could it be? Now, this comes from one of my YouTube viewers, Jeremy White. Thanks so much, man. His wife and him designed this, what is it? Oh, it's a shirt. It's a surprise. Okay, I looked inside there before I took it out, right? Let's see what else is inside before. Oh, I actually lost. No, here it is. Here it is. Now, Jeremy White and his wife know what I like. They know I like good freaking body clips, and you know, I'm still looking for those green anodized body clips that I lost in a couple other videos that I had. But check this shirt out, guys. This is NITROGANG shirt, baby. I am gonna be wearing this in the video, so you know what? Why don't I put it on? Hybrid 32494 NITROGANG. And the design, this must be that Red Cat Shockwave buggy that I had. Thanks so much, NITROGANG, especially to you out there, Jeremy White and your wife. You guys designed a great freaking shirt, and I actually love this size. Perfect shirt. NITROGANG is happy. Now it's time, you know, get those blueberries in it. I need that energy before I do my speed runs. You know, when you're watching like a fit scale Baja, any gas RC, your adrenaline's pumping. You know, you could have like an electric Vortec do 61 miles an hour, which I did on my channel, but this is way more exciting. Why not? Okay, guys, I'm out at the field. I'm gonna start it up. I just turned the system on. Everything is functional, right? I'm literally gonna prime this carb on video, and we will see how it actually starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I find that you have to prime this carb more than normal. I'm not sure if this is like a 990 thing or whatever. And damn, why do these Savox servos constantly make noise? There's really nothing you can do. But hey, they are the best servos. They're not cheap, so I guess making noise is just one of those things, right? Okay, time to pull the cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So at this point, it should start on maybe the second or third pull at the worst. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I shut it down. The kill switch actually works. That is fantastic. Now I'm gonna be running a dual kind of telemetry system here. So I'm looking at my GPS meter here that I am kind of duplicating the results. 44 miles an hour on this like first speed run attempt. Let's see if we can do 45. So far, I am only equally matched to the 30cc Rovan Baja, which is not bad at all, but I want a little bit more out of this. This is an RCMK engine, and I hope it was worth the money for whoever spent the money on it, because it wasn't me. I'm too cheap for that. Speed run attempt number 2. Gonna put the ignition back on with my 3rd channel switch here. Killer B safety kill switch. Should be good. Okay, we got spark. I've reset the GPS meter. Let's start her up again. It should be the 1st or 2nd pull this time. I'm curious to see if it'll be any different with the drag slicks. So why don't I put those on? We're gonna repeat this test. I have the original wheels back on the car. These are Hostile slicks. This is what I originally purchased this King Motors with. Now, of course, the tires we just did speed runs with are a little bit taller, and we'll see what the difference in speed will be. The best thing about these Hostile slicks is they are belted, so they do not balloon. I did observe these did balloon somewhat at 44 miles an hour, right? As you can see, I could squeeze it literally with my hand. So yeah, expect this to balloon a little bit, which is not the end of the world. It still drove great, but let's see the results we get with this. I'm hoping for at least around the same top speed, but of course the circumference, diameter of the tire is different, so we're gonna have to see. Top speed attempt with the Hostile racing slicks. Let's do this. Hostile racing slicks, I just looked at it. We got 43 miles an hour, which, you know what, is actually very, very good. I thought I would be maybe at around 40 miles an hour, and you saw how much smaller these racing slicks are compared to that, you know, Rovan basic tire, the trencher style one, you know, the excavator, I think is what they're called. So 43 miles per hour, very solid performance. You know what? I might keep these Hostile slicks on this because I like the drift Baja. I'm about to do a little bit of drifting with this. Let's do it. Drag Baja, baby! I can do this all day long! Smells good! By the way, if you're wondering how many times I got hit with rocks in the face, I stopped counting, okay? By the way, this whole thing is literally half a tank of fuel. And look how great this motor still idles with this fake 990 carb. So there you go, guys. When you say fake is bad, well, you know what? Fake is all right when it comes to this. Let me turn it off. All right, I turned it off. Freaking throat hurts from all this yelling because this Baja is so damn loud, you know, but hey, the louder the better. A lot of times people ask me, hey, how loud is it? It's loud. Let me tell you right now, it is loud, but it's one of those loudness things where when you go to a rock show concert, you know, you show up to like a Blink-182 performance and you get used to it in basically one song. Thanks so much for the NITROGANG shirt, Jeremy White and your wife. I'm gonna wear it in another couple videos. See you guys later. Peace. What's up, Nitro Gang? Welcome to the Nitro Party. Of course, we got some beer right now, like 88% alcohol, right? Because it's Nitro Brew. I'm not kidding. We got some shish kebabs out here. You guys always know that I like. It's hard to. Oh man.
Яйца не попали.
I always said. It should be. The Nitro Gang, guys, we don't use. So I должен подумать.
Оно что-то выключилось, Дим?
Не,
батарея села.
Оно не село. Так, стой,
там ничего не видно
на экран. Okay. What's up, Nitro Gang? Welcome to the Nitro Party. I'm grilling up some shish kebabs out here. We got ourselves some beer. Not my beer of choice, but hey, that's what I got, right? Listen, you guys always heard me say I like smoke, and this is no regular grill. I'm not gonna use gas, I'm gonna use real wood. Why? Because I like a smoky party, that's why. Welcome to the party. Guys, the Nitro Gang doesn't only eat Wendy's and Domino's pizza. Sometimes we like to enjoy a nice smoked leg of lamb. That's what I'm about to do right now.